Welcome back to the ATL, All Things Life, my faith and lifestyle channel. If that is a type of content you are into, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Well, this is going to be the last video of Vlogmas. It's my first year doing it and I have truly enjoyed it. And I've always started out every Vlogmas with a scripture, and tonight's scripture is going to be out of Isaiah 9:6, and it says, "For to us a child is born, to us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." You know, we always hear the saying, Jesus is the reason for the season, and I do believe that. But to a greater extent, he's the reason for every season. So it doesn't matter how many gifts we give. It doesn't matter how many gifts we receive. Jesus is the gift that keeps on giving. And tonight is going to just be a nice, chill Christmas night in. I want to watch the movie The Candy Cane Lane. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I love coffee. I love trying new coffee recipes. I love going to coffee shops. I love the whole vibe. So I thought it would be fitting to paint my own little Christmas mug. I found this in Michael's. This is a reindeer. I know when I first looked at it, it kind of looked like a little gremlin, but this is a reindeer and I want to paint him. And I'm going to try to go with that theme. I might paint his sweater a different color, but this is what I'm going to do tonight. So you have to watch to the end of this video to see how it came out, because you have to put it in the oven to bake the paint in a little bit. So we'll see how that goes. It comes with these 4 pieces of paint and a paintbrush. And I bought some extra paint because I'm extra like that. So we're gonna do that on tonight. I wanna make me a charcuterie board, a little mini charcuterie board, nothing big, and watch the movie The Candy Cane Lane and have me a little something to drink. So that is gonna be tonight's A Christmas Night In. If you have not watched my Vlogmas videos, go all the way back to day 1. I did 12 days and I have truly enjoyed myself. I'm gonna make it a little festive tonight even. I got me some antlers too, some little snowflakes. I thought that this was cute. And to go with my pajamas and to go with my reindeer mug, I thought it would be so fitting for this Christmas night in to make it fun and festive, yet a chill night. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you watch to the end to see how Mr. Reindeer came out. And while it's curing, I'm going to watch Candy Cane Lane and enjoy my popcorn and things like that and show you guys what the end result looks like. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's enjoy a Christmas night in. he gonna keep his sweater white. I'm not painting no more of that. So I think it took me about maybe about 30 minutes to do this. The paint is not all that great, but it does lay on here pretty good. Got a little bit of paint on my hands, but it washes right off. I just gave him a just real quick look. Can y'all see? Just gave him a real quick look, and this is how he looks in the back. Oh shoot, getting paint all over myself. This is how he looks in the back. So I'm happy with it. I am happy with my little reindeer mug. And it says, after painting, put into a cold oven, turn oven onto 360 and bake for 30 minutes and let it cool for 3 hours. So I'm gonna go and do that right now. Watch the movie and I'll show you guys a picture at the end of the video of what it looks like. But I hope that you all enjoy. And by the way, this little drinky drink, this is from Trader Joe's, the Honey Crisp Apple. Let me get it. This Honey Crisp Apple Juice, it's really good. I really like this. So I'm gonna get more of these, and it was only like $1 at Trader Joe's. So I had a ball tonight. This is what my ideal reindeer was supposed to look like. This is ideal, but reality. And that's okay because it was a Christmas night in. So, but I just want to thank you all for watching this whole series. If you've been rocking with me since day one, thank you so very much for your support. Thanks for watching. And if this is your first time, welcome. Again, this is my faith and lifestyle channel. So we're here to talk about all things life, from faith to travel, vlogs, baking, all things. Have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy the present moment. Be in the present moment. Be encouraged. God is our source. So cheers to a Christmas night in. And again, He's the gift that keeps on giving. I hope that you enjoyed this video and this Vlogmas series, and I'll see you in the next